Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle one of the most important aspects of personal finance: creating a budget and sticking to it. I know budgeting can seem daunting, but trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to managing your money effectively. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. The first thing you need to do is determine how much money you have coming in and where it's going. Start by tracking your income, such as your salary, freelance work, or any other sources of income. Then, list out all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent, utilities, and loan payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Step 2. Choose a budgeting method. There are various methods to choose from, but I recommend the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessities, 30% towards wants or discretionary spending, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Adjust the percentages based on your financial goals and priorities. Step 3. Create a monthly budget. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget. Start by categorizing your expenses and assigning a specific amount to each category. This will give you a clear picture of how much you can spend in each area without going overboard. Step 4. Track your expenses regularly. Creating a budget is just the first step. To stick to it, you need to track your expenses regularly. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to record your spending. This will help you identify any areas where you may be overspending and allow you to make adjustments as needed. Step 5. Review and adjust your budget. As your financial situation changes, your budget should adapt accordingly. Review your budget on a monthly basis and make necessary adjustments. If you find that you consistently overspend in a particular category, consider reallocating funds from other areas or finding ways to cut back. Step 6. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones. Budgeting is a long-term commitment, so it's essential to stay motivated along the way. Set short-term goals and celebrate milestones to keep yourself motivated. Reward yourself when you achieve your savings target or successfully pay off a debt. Remember, every small step counts. So there you have it, our guide on how to create a budget and stick to it. By tracking your income and expenses, choosing a budgeting method, creating a monthly budget, tracking your expenses regularly, reviewing and adjusting your budget, and staying motivated, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your budgeting experiences or any questions you may have. Until next time, take care and happy budgeting.